Insecurity and dangerous threats lie in plain sight. The wide range and increasing rate of security threats make it hard to guarantee safety in private, much less in public places. The downsides of religious extremities also pose a significant threat, which leaves places of worship such as the church prone to security threats. Hence, the need for self-defense cannot be overemphasized. Guns or firearms that are effective for protection yet allow for concealed carriage are suitable for such places. Here's a quick rundown of the top guns you need to carry to church just in case. Before we get into it though, do well by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Through your subscription, likes, and shares, we'll be able to reach more people and build a strong community of gun lovers and enthusiasts. Thanks a lot. And now to the juicy part, the 10 most appropriate and effective guns you can carry to church and why they're fit for the job, spotlighting their features and performative strength. Number 1. Ruger LTP Max. A fantastic gun that'd be best saved for last in an array of great options. It's the perfect pocket gun for concealed carry. The Ruger LTP Max is highly rated for its smooth action and general performance, which is 10 times that of the LTP2. Its trigger is everything else but hard to pull. There are no doubts whatsoever about its capabilities. If you'd fancy more rounds, you can get +4 or +6 rounds when you go for the slightly larger magazines, which is a good bet. The specifications of the Ruger LTP Max are as follows: 2.8 inches barrel, 5.17 inches overall length, 10.6 ounces weight, 0.81 inches width, and 380 ACP caliber. It's a super light, small, and easy to secure gun with a firm grip. The recoil isn't too strong, so you can quickly and efficiently take follow-up shots. It gives a superb shooting experience. Number 2. The Wilson Combat ACP Full-Size 1911. You know what's definitely going to hit that sweet spot in every shot? You best believe it's the Wilson Combat ACP. Breaking it down, it consists of a full-size carbon steel frame with eagle claw rear cocking serrations on the side. It's got an outstanding grip and a fantastic sight for aiming and precision. Number 3. Colt Python 3-inch. The Colt Python 3-inch has unique qualities that make it stand out from the other guns in the Python line. It has a .357 Magnum caliber, an amazing magazine capacity of 6 rounds, and a 3-inch long barrel. Its accuracy is great and persistent, with an excellent double-action trigger pull. It's got a powerful mated walnut grip that feels wonderful in hand, with a simple and clean outlook that ticks the aesthetics box. Number 4. HK VP9. This is an absolute delight. The VP9 stands out in the bunch. It's a good option for concealed carry. The trigger is among the best you'd experience, and the gun shoots exactly where it's pointed. It's only 25 ounces heavy, and its ergonomic design and capabilities make it a suitable option for self-defense. The VP9 operates flawlessly and accurately with a wide variety of ammo. Number 5. The Ruger LTR. It'd interest you to know that this isn't just for the oldies. It's an extremely capable and popular revolver design with several features that make it an excellent choice. The LTR is super light and easy to carry around. The grip is firm and smooth, adding some thrill to your shooting experience. What's more intriguing is the range. The various calibers, namely 22 LR, 22 Magnum, 357 Magnum, 38 Special, and 9mm. It weighs 13.5 to 17.2 ounces and is suitable for concealed carry. Number 6. Remington's R1 Executive Ultralight and 45 ACP. This has a full grip, smooth action, and great sights. It comes equipped with a 3.8-inch match-grade barrel to help squeeze out some extra distance. Its standard tritium night sights allow for low-light targeting, which will aid your aiming accuracy. Number 7. Full or mid-sized Glock pistols. These pistols have a wide range of dimensions that make them easy to use due to larger frames and longer barrels. Glock pistols are typically easier to aim and shoot accurately. They've garnered praise so far for their accuracy, reliability, and overall performance on the range. Their extended features makes them a top choice for everyday carriage and effective self-defense equipment. Number 8. The Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0 Compact. This is a polymer-framed handgun. It typically features a 4-inch barrel with an available thumb safety and a 15+1 round capacity in 9mm and 13+1 in the 40 variant. Here's an interesting note. It has an unloaded weight of just under 24 ounces, perfect for subtlety in places of worship like the church. It's optics ready, compact, and concealable. It's an excellent choice for self-defense and an easy everyday carry. Number 9. The new 9mm Springfield Armory SA-35. It's all steel and incredibly accurate. Interestingly, it holds 15+1 rounds with trim dimensions, making it easy to carry, aim, and shoot. The SA-35 pistol comes with one 15-round double-column blue-steeled magazine. It has rugged forged steel parts for strength and durability. It has modern sights, an improved feed ramp design, and an increased 15-round capacity. Its improved ergonomics and enhanced controls put it on the list of great options. This type of gun is easy to conceal and incredibly effective in performance. Number 10. The full or commander-sized 1911 pistols. The Springfield 1911 Ronin 9mm tops the list. Though classic, it includes essential elements that boost its aesthetics and functionality. It features elements like the skeletonized trigger, stainless steel, grip screws, and a tapered magazine. You already know that precision or accuracy in aiming is essential in choosing a firearm for defense. The sighting system makes for high visibility in various lighting conditions. This outstanding feature gives you clear visual data to aid in aiming and shooting. Having explored various excellent options in the event of an actual threat in church, be sure to note precision and accuracy when taking shots. Practice shooting with one and both hands. Even in the moment's rush, stay focused on keeping the chaos out of your mind so you can take the best shots and stay safe. It might be plausible to mitigate attacks or threats at church when you train and prepare, but be sure to run it by the pastor or cleric and adhere to the local laws. We believe that the firearms mentioned will meet the requirements to fit your security needs in the event of an attack in church. And with this guide, we hope you can decide which weapon to purchase. You should try one, if not all of these. Kindly leave a comment down below to share your thoughts with us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Also, click the notification bell to get notified when we upload subsequent videos. Thanks a lot for watching.